मैं तुमसे बहुत नाराज हूँ। आई एम वेरी एंग्री विथ यू। आई एम वेरी एंग्री विथ यू। तुम्हारे दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है? What is going on in your mind? What is going on in your mind? आधी रात हो चुकी है। It is midnight already. It is midnight already. कुछ पीने के लिए ले लो। Get something to drink. Get something to drink. समय कैसे काटूं? How to pass the time? How to pass the time? क्या तुम कुछ कह रही थी? Were you saying something? Were you saying something? पर्दे के पीछे छुप जाओ। Hide behind the curtain. Hide behind the curtain. मैं सब समझ गया। I have understood everything. I have understood everything. तमाशा खड़ा करने की क्या जरूरत थी? What was the need to create a scene? What was the need to create a scene? मुझे ऊंचाई से डर लगता है। I am afraid of height. I am afraid of height. आज के बाद मुझसे कभी मत मिलना। Don't ever see me again. Don't ever see me again. आज के बाद मुझे कभी फोन मत करना। Don't ever call me again. Or you can say never call me again. मुझे ये वापस करना है। I want to return this. I want to return this. वह घर नहीं जा पाया। He couldn't go home. He couldn't go home. क्या तुम्हें पानी चाहिए? Do you need water? Do you need water? उसे उधार चाहिए। He needs borrow the money. He needs borrow the money. उनके जाने के बाद हमने खाना खाया। We had taken the food after they left. We had taken the food after they left. कोई नहीं आया। Nobody has come. Nobody has come. उसके पास क्या क्या है? What all does he have? What all does he have? तुम्हें ये कहाँ मिला? Where did you get this? Where did you get this? इसमें इतना खास क्या खास है? What is so special in it? What is so special in it? आप ऑफिस कैसे जाते हैं? How do you go to office? How do you go to office? मैं तुमसे बहुत खुश हूँ। I am very happy with you. I am very happy with you. फिर कब मिलेंगे? When will we meet again? When will we meet again? झूठ मत बोलो। Don't tell a lie. Don't tell a lie. क्या तुमने मुझसे झूठ बोला? Did you lie to me? Did you lie to me? तुम उसे गुमराह कर रहे हो। You are misguiding him. You are misguiding him. चलो मूवी देखने चलते हैं। Let's go for a movie. Let's go for a movie. तुम इसे स्वीकार करोगे या नहीं? Will you accept it or not? Will you accept it or not? मुझे फोन चार्ज करना है। I need to charge my phone. I need to charge my phone. क्या तुम बच्चों की देखभाल कर रहे हो? Are you looking after the kids? Are you looking after the kids? मेरे पास पैसे नहीं हैं। I have no money. I have no money. तुम नहीं समझोगे। You won't understand. You won't understand. मैं अक्सर उससे मिलता हूँ। I often see him. I often see him. तुम कहाँ काम करते हो? Where do you work? Where do you work? मैं एक कंपनी में काम करता हूँ। I work in a company. I work in a company. चलो घर सजाते हैं। Let's decorate the house. Let's decorate the house. तुम दोनों क्या खाओगे? What will you both eat? What will you both eat? मैं उससे मिला. I met her. I met her. मैं उससे कभी नहीं मिला. I never met her. I never met her. क्या वे हमसे सहमत होंगे? Would they agree with us? Would they agree with us? मैं उनसे बात कर लूँगा. I will talk to them. I will talk to them. घंटों हो गए. It's being hours. It's being hours. मुझे बहस पसंद नहीं है. I don't like argument. I don't like argument. काश मेरे पास कार होती. I wish I had a car. I wish I had a car. आधी रात हो चुकी है. It is midnight already. It is midnight already. बच्चे थके थके से लग रहे थे. The children seemed tired. The children seemed tired. वे सब घर गए. They have all gone home. They have all gone home. तुम्हारे कमरे में बहुत अंधेरा रहता है. Your room is very dark. Your room is very dark. कितने बजे तक अंधेरा हो जाता है? What time does it get dark? What time does it get dark? ये जिंदगी का हिस्सा है. This is part of life. This is part of life. ये इतना बुरा भी नहीं लग रहा है. This doesn't look that bad. This doesn't look that bad. कोई रस्सी होगी आपके पास? Any chance you have rope? Any chance you have rope? शायद उन्हें तुम जानते हो. Maybe you know them. Maybe you know them. तुम भी करके देखो. You also give it a shot. You also give it a shot. शानदार, cool. ये क्या है? What is that? What is that? मैं जानता हूँ ये क्या है. I know what that is. I know what that is. अच्छा हुआ मैं यहाँ था. Good thing I was here. Good thing I was here. वह बहुत डरता था. He was too afraid. He was too afraid. तुम ठीक से तैर नहीं सकते. You can't swim well. You can't swim well. मैं ठीक से तैर सकता हूँ. I can swim fine. I can swim fine. वो बहुत डरावना था. That was really scary. That was really scary. तुम मेरा पीछा क्यों कर रहे हो? Why are you following me? Why are you following me? मैं तुम्हें बताता हूँ क्यों. I will tell you why. I will tell you why. क्योंकि मैं पूरी तरह अकेला हूँ. Because I am all alone. Because I am all alone. मेरी सभी समस्याएं खत्म हो गई हैं. My problems have all gone. My problems have all gone. ये मेरा घर होगा. That would be my home. That would be my home. यह शानदार है. It is lovely. It is lovely. क्या मैं तुम्हारे साथ रह सकता हूँ? Can I stay with you? Can I stay with you?